For a fateful period of time, history waits. Waits on tensed men trapped in the mud-soaked fields of Normandy. Until they are able to break out of that agony of isolation and move toward their destiny, changing history's course.
The soggy hedgerow terrain immobilized the mechanized power of the ground forces. The slow, painful advance was measured in yards, a hedgerow at a time. Like the steady rain which fell over the entire operation, a sense of despair and frustration touched all those who participated. The last action in this offensive was the battle for Saint-Lô. The Allies wanted Saint-Lô for a number of reasons. Its prestige value, the effect its capture would have on the Germans, and as an access to roads leading south. After a week of bitter fighting, they got it. The cost was high, as was true in all the hedgerow fighting, but the town was secured, and in the process, a memorial was created. An infantry battalion commander killed before the gates of the city was carried into Saint-Lô with the liberators. His body was placed on a pile of rubble, an impromptu shrine to the qualities of courage and sacrifice that had made the drive to Saint-Lô possible.